Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account in 2025 on iPhone, Android, or Samsung. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu at the bottom. From there, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Next, scroll down and select Account Center. Inside Account Center, choose Personal Details, then go to Account Ownership and Control. Here, tap Deactivation or Deletion, then select the Facebook account you want to deactivate. By default, Deactivate Account will be selected, so just tap Continue. If you're the only admin of a Facebook page, keep in mind that the page will also be deactivated unless you assign another admin. Once you're ready, tap Continue, enter your Facebook password, and confirm. That's it, your account will now be temporarily deactivated. You can log back in any time to reactivate it. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video. For more quick tutorials, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.